Here is a complete and clear lesson on the Turkish demonstrative pronoun şu, including meaning, usage, grammar explanations, comparisons, and examples. Introduction. In Turkish, demonstrative pronouns are used to point out people, things, or places. The most common demonstrative pronouns are bu, which means this, and it is used for a thing, person, or object near to the speaker. Şu means that, and it is used for a thing, person, or object which is neither near to nor far from the speaker, or to draw attention. O means that, and it is used for a thing, person, or object which is far from both speaker and listener. Our previous lesson was on bu. In this lesson, we focus on the pronoun şu.
What does şu mean? Şu is used to refer to something that is at a mid-distance between bu and o, or to draw special attention to something, even if it is near or far, or when the object's distance is not clearly defined. It can mean that, this one, those, depending on context. Look at that, to express emphasis. 2. Grammar type. Part of speech, demonstrative pronoun and adjective. Used with nouns like an adjective, şu kalem, that pen. Used alone as a pronoun, şu benim, that is mine. 3. Usage patterns. Şu's noun, demonstrative adjective. Examples. Şu kitap güzel. Şu kitap güzel. That book is nice. Şu çocuk ağlıyor. Şu çocuk ağlıyor. That child is crying. Şu araba senin mi? Şu araba senin mi? Is that car yours? Here, şu functions like that before a noun. Şu alone as a pronoun. Example. Şu benim. Şu benim. That is mine. Şu ne? Şu ne? What is that? Şu sen misin? Şu sen misin? Is that you? It is used by itself. It replaces a noun. Emphasis, drawing attention. Şu can also be used to point something out with emphasis, like look at that, or this one here. Example. Şu var ya, harika. Şu var ya, harika. You see that? It's amazing. Şu adama bak. Şu adama bak. Look at that man. Po 4. Comparison. Bu, şu, o.
Bu means this, and it is used for a thing which is near to the speaker.
Example. Bu kalem. Bu kalem. This pen.
Şu means that or this, and it is used for a mid-distance or focus. For example, şu kalem. Şu kalem. That pen. O means that, and it is used for a thing which is far from both the speaker and listener. For example, O kalem. O kalem. That pen over there. Şu is flexible and can be used to emphasize or draw focus, not just for distance. Number 5. Common phrases with şu. Şu anda. Şu anda. Right now. At the moment. Şu şekilde. Şu şekilde. In this way. Şu zamana kadar. Şu zamana kadar. Until now. Şu var ya. Şu var ya. With emphasis. You know that. Example sentences. Using şu with noun. Şu elma çok taze. Şu elma çok taze. That apple is very fresh. Şu kız kardeşim. Şu kız kardeşim. That is my sister or she is my sister. Using şu without noun. Şu benim değil. Şu benim değil. That is not mine. Şu çok önemli. Şu çok önemli. That is very important. Mini dialogue. Şu çantaya bak. Çok güzel değil mi? Şu çantaya bak. Çok güzel değil mi? Look at that bag. Isn't it beautiful? Evet, gerçekten harika. Şu mu senin almak istediğin? Evet, gerçekten harika. Şu mu senin almak istediğin? Yes, really amazing. Is that the one you wanted to buy? Practice sentences. You have to translate them. Number 1. Şu telefon senin mi? Şu telefon senin mi? Is that phone yours? Şu adamı tanıyor musun? Şu adamı tanıyor musun? Do you know that man? Şu ne anlama geliyor? Şu ne anlama geliyor? What does that mean? Şu anda meşgulum. Şu anda meşgulum. I'm busy right now. Şu güzel evi görüyor musun? Şu güzel evi görüyor musun? Do you see that beautiful house? So that was our today's lesson. Hope you liked it. Be sure to let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Turkish Language Academy. Thanks for watching. Görüşürüz.